Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. A moment of presentation of the work carried out over the last 2 months of fraternal sharing with the Salesians of the community of the Salesian headquarters and a moment of reflection on the path that the congregation is taking. All this was the good night that the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime offered on the July 27th at the end of the summer plenary session of the General Council, which began last June 1st. It was in 2008 when an aspirant arose at the Don Bosco Training Center of Talisay City, DBFC in English, in Lawan, province of the Philippines South FIS, that Father Randy Figuracion, Father Fidel Ma, Mr. Orandin, President of the Commission, Louis Domasian, all three Salesians have decided to work together to draw up a university-level program for Salesian aspirants. This program, called the Bachelor's Course in Religious Education and Pastoral Communication, was revised and approved by the Commission for Higher Education and offered under the umbrella of the Don Bosco Technical School of Cebu. It is a program that prepares not only young people for Salesian religious life, but also other young people who wish to become professional religious educators. On July 26th, Father Manuel Cayo, Superior of the Salesian Province of Peru, PER, presented to the parish priest of the Basilica of Mary Health of Christians, Father Santo Dalben, the first copy of the commemorative book of the centenary of the Basilica. Father Humberto Chavez, Vicar of PER Province, and David Franco, historian, were also present at the delivery of the precious publication of 400 pages. On July 25th, on the occasion of the feast of Saint James the Apostle, patron saint of the province of Madrid, Spain, San Giacomo Maggiore SSM, the inspector, Father Manuel Fernando Garcia, presided over the Eucharist with the young people who attend the course for animators in Logrono. There are 61 young people from 15 youth centers of the SSM province who, from July 19th for 13 days, are being formed accordingly to the modules provided by the provincial plan for the formation of animators. On July 24th, in the chapel of St. Dominic Savio in Walkerville, Salesian Zozile Samson Galata made his perpetual profession in the hands of Joy Sebastian, Superior of the South Africa AFM, First Course of the North Africa AFM. From 16th to 18th July, the 4th Seminar of Media Education was held on the theme Hope in the Midst of COVID-19, which was attended by 41 students from 8 Catholic schools. The seminar, led by Father Ambrose Pereira, SDB Secretary of the Office of Social Communication of the Episcopal Conference of Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands, was mainly focused on the creation of short films. Participants had the opportunity to hone their skills in the art of cinematography through numerous technical sessions, and others focused on various themes, including the discernment of information in the midst of the pandemic and the theology of communication. On the closing day of the seminar, in the presence of Father Gregory Baikomong, Superior of the Salesian Visitatorate Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands PGS, the short films created by participants which illustrated the importance of hope, faith and inspiration during the pandemic were presented in preview to an audience of students, family members, religious professors and animators. The Salesian Social America Network is part of the youth pastoral sector and is the network of social works and services that deal with children and young people at high risk of social exclusion in America. Its objective is to consolidate the coordinated work among Salesian social works with the aim of improving the quality of the Salesian congregation's response to this segment of the population. The Tamil Nadu Cricket Association (TNCA) has selected 3 students who are members of a sports training program by Don Bosco Anbulam, the Social Service Society of the Salesian Province of Chennai and the HCL Foundation for special training. TNCA has chosen Jenny Platuila for U19 bowling and all-rounder, Madhumita for U23 battling all-rounder, both from Government Girls High Secondary School, Avadi, Chennai, and Karthika for U19 bowling all-rounder from Police Boys and Girls Club, Kanagi, Nagar. Tomorrow, the July 30th, we celebrate the World Day Against Trafficking in Human Beings, aimed at making known the situation of victims of trafficking and promoting the promotion and protection of their rights. For the occasion, the Salesian missionary prosecutors New Rochelle Salesian missions highlight some of the many Salesian projects carried out to prevent this phenomenon and restore dignity and opportunities to the victims. In many countries, Salesians are dedicated to making young people aware of the dangers of the immigration and the risk of trafficking. One of the main ways in which we can support young people is to understand the needs of the local market and provide training programs that help young people find work in their communities, explains Father Ghosh Bayek, Director of Salesian Missions. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.